How to fix call failed on iPhone. So if your call has been failing for some particular reason on your iPhone, the couple of things that you can check is first of all your tower, right? So make sure that you're in an area where the cellular network is working just perfectly fine, and make sure that it has the full network over there, right? Now what you can also try to do is you can simply try to turn on flight mode and then just disable it again to see if that actually helps you. You can also try to restart your iPhone. Sometimes it could also be because you do not have enough balance. So depending upon what country you live in, just make sure to check for your balance and make sure that you have got enough balance on your phone number or your SIM card in order to make a call. Last but not the least, you can open settings, go to general, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Don't worry, we won't reset the iPhone. We will only tap on reset and reset all of the settings, including the network settings right here. So you can reset the network settings to hopefully solve the problem. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.